Hey everybody, Easy Amateur Radio, and today we're looking at my X6100 kind of portable go kit, the kit that I took out this weekend to POTA. So let's open it up and see what's in it. So right here we have the X6100, fantastic radio, absolutely one of my favorite little rigs to run around with. I will keep this in the truck every now and then and different things like that. Great radio. We'll go ahead. And so this is a 4.5 amp hour battery that I bought years ago off the HRCC Discord, and I've used this thing for field days. I've used it for all kind of stuff. I have 2 or 3 of them floating around here, and of course the microphone packs in right there. And then up top we have an AC power adapter, the barrel connector with power poles. We have and the USB-C, a good USB-C cable, and you see the power poles go right here for a whopping 10 watts of external power when you plug it in. So I took this radio out and I'm gonna overlay some stuff here. I made about 12 contacts with it yesterday out in the park, and on a K6 ARK infed half wave. I really liked it. The only issue we had while we were out there was that somebody fired up a generator, and boy was it noisy. So I wasn't able to video it just because the audio wasn't great. But I got out there, used it. It was a fantastic time. We made plenty of contacts where it was out there 2 or 3 hours. Made plenty of contacts while we were out there. N50MM was out there with me as well, and he had an awesome QDX kit out there that I will overlay a picture with right now, and really enjoyed it. He brought the antennas. We had 2 100-watt radios in the trucks just as backups. We were able to get it done on QRP. Fantastic day. Had a good time at the park. 73, thank you to everybody for making the contacts with me. And if you're looking to put together an X6100 go bag, this little wind camp bag might be the solution to you. 73.